Alright, so 2021 Kia Sorento. Okay, so the customer stated, right, that there's a lot of water on the floor on the passenger front, right? Right now, I already fixed the issue, so I have the heat on so that the heat could circulate and try to dry this area a bit. Okay, down here. Now, this may not fix every issue, just in case, but this is just letting you know this is something you could possibly check for yourself before having to go to the dealership. If you take this off and you look inside there, that hose is your drain for the AC, right? Now, what I did realize is that this entire box right here was backed up and filled with water that was supposed to drain through the drain, but because it did not go through the drain because it was blocked up, it just started to leak from every crease and crevice. I will add a slide video of that. So what you would want to do is remove this hose and then shove something in there to unblock and make sure you can get the water running again. And once the water start running, you connect back the hose and the water will drip through the floor and go down to the bottom where it's supposed to be, and that will stop this leak. So this is the AC stuff. So if you ever have that issue, try looking at that to make sure it's good first. Let me insert the clip of the water on the machine, well, on the AC. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. I think I found the issue, but I just don't know how to fix it. So I'm gonna go to Paco. Alright, so the AC on. Now what's going on? I think, well, I'm pulling this off, so this probably blocked right here. I wonder if I put a vacuum on it if it will free up. I'm gonna try that and see. Yeah.